Volkswagen. What year is this thing? 2013. Here's the story. I'm gonna read the story. I'm gonna go somewhere where it's quiet. So here was the problem. The cams should stay like this somehow in the car. This marks and this mark. And this mark here should line up with the key. And somehow the alternator belt went inside the timing belt and jammed inside, and the cam got twisted. Got twisted all the way here. So that's how this key, instead of being here where I marked it, and the car would not start. So I had a hinge in the back with a bad piston. I got these cams used, and now the Volkswagen is running perfectly. I just can't believe it. This cam twisted. How I find that out? Trying to bring everything on time, and every time I brought it on time, the valve will hit the piston over here. So I'm going backward, it doesn't match up. I'm going forward, doesn't match up. So that's how I find out this cam was twisted. I replaced both of them just to make sure 100%. So if you have this kind of issue, trying to bring it on time and the valves are hitting, there has to be a problem. This key should be where I'm at. I cannot believe it. These cams are hollow inside, empty.